What I want to talk about is that the Ayers connection is one that Obama needs to explain. But Hillary's connections with terrorists are far more extensive. In 1980s, Hillary sat on the board of the New World Foundation that gave a grant to the Palestine Liberation Organization, headed by Arafat, which back then was identified as a terrorist group. And then in 1996, she had a reception at the White House organized by the American Muslim Association. And Steve Emerson, who you've had on your show, who is really the expert on domestic terrorism, said curiously nearly all of the leaders with whom Mrs. Clinton elected to meet came from Islamic fundamentalist organizations. And he said that AMA has sanctioned terrorism, published anti-Semitic statements, and repeatedly hosted conferences that were forums for denunciation of Jews and exhortations to jihad. Then, in 2000, Hillary got a $50,000 contribution from the American Muslim Association that somehow or other got listed on her form as the American Museum Association. And by the time they discovered what it was and she had to give back the money, it was a week before Election Day and she couldn't use soft money.
By the way, Dick, let me just...
Now, those connections to terrorists are a whole lot more significant than Barack Obama's
Let me point out to you, the June 11th, 1999 Jewish Daily Forward reported the New World Foundation granted funds to something called Grassroots International, which in turn funneled money to two PLO-affiliated groups. And Hillary Clinton says the grant was made for $10,000 to Grassroots International for a specific project in South Africa. If money was diverted, she didn't know anything about it. And, it was at least one or two steps removed here. You're drawing a parallel line here which does not exist.
Let's add that to the list of the things Hillary didn't know about. That her brothers were being paid to get pardons out of her husband, that her husband pardoned the Puerto Rican terrorists and the FALN, as well as the whole litany of things that Hillary's been involved in. My point is that we are not talking here about families whose kids played together or an association with somebody who was a terrorist 40 years ago. We're talking about her being involved with terrorist organizations, and they're thinking highly enough of her to give her $50,000 for her campaign. That's what I'm talking about. And by the way,